transparency is a necessity. When we started Banachain, we know for a fact that blockchain is here to stay. I've been in the ERP industry since I dropped out of college in 2009. I saw a potential of having a ledger that is the point of truth. You know, the normal ERP databases doesn't have that. So fast forward to use cases of blockchain in the government, the reason why we decided to create BYC as an infrastructure layer is we want to have a data sovereign chain that is hosting data here in the Philippines. We also created Banachain because we believe that transparency is a necessity. We're working with the government for them to be able to become transparent by using blockchain for their issuance of budgets, the ID system, the land registration offices, etc. So we want all of this document to be minted or tokenized on chain so people can give the trust back to the government.